The group bars chart is a versatile chart that can be used for multiple purposes. It can be used to display the counts of segments in a group, like the number of years different employees have worked in a company, or it can be used to display counts of segments over a period of time, like in this example, the number of times a particular software was used over the last 6 months. To create a group bar scene, we'll drag the top 3 users to our project and view what kind of data is needed to create the chart and how to configure it. Click Edit and select Design to view the dataset and the settings. The sample chart that is generated shows how many times 3 types of software has been used over a 6-month period. Let's look at the dataset needed to produce this chart. Here's a dataset of the sample chart. You will need the following 3 required columns in your dataset. One column will have the different time periods you want to display on the chart. It is a column called Month that stores dates of the different months each software was used. Another column will contain the different segments in the chart. It is a column called Software Name, and it has the different software names that are being used. The last column has the value of the count for each segment in the chart. It is a column called Value, and it is measuring the number of times the software was used. Again, this is just a sample data set to show what is required, but you can import your own data set with different column names, time intervals, segments, and counts. Now back to the design page. To configure your chart, expand Chart Metrics. For the Group Type dropdown, select the column in your dataset that you will group the segments by. In our dataset, we'll select Month, as we will show the usage of the different software by month. For the Value dropdown, select the column in your dataset that has the count measure for each segment. In our dataset, we'll select Value, as it has a number of times each software was used. For the Group By dropdown, select the column in your dataset that has the different segments to be displayed in the chart. In our dataset, we'll select Software Name, as it has the different names of the software being used. Click Save to save the changes to your chart. And now your group bar scene is ready to be used in your cast.
Retention Science, Braze, and GoodRx continue to be the top 3 users for your account.